Alright everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are having a look at Razer Kraken PRO V2 headphones and how to replace the ear pads. Now it's very important, first of all, to know that Razer uses the word Kraken a lot. And the earlier versions of some of these Kraken headphones, they aren't the same installation for the ear pads. So you need to be I'm quite specific here with what these will fit on, or how this installation takes place. So Razer Kraken PRO V2 and also Razer Kraken 7.1 V2. The installation and the way the ear pads attach are exactly the same. Any other Kraken model that you've heard of, it's not the same as this. So keep that in mind, that it has to be those two specifically. Alright, so removing the ear pads, installing the ear pads. This is literally the easiest installation on the face of the planet. You're just going to extend out one side, and all you need to do is literally just grab the ear pad and twist it like that. You can see the plastic back there. It just twists onto the housing right here. And you can do the same for the other one. Now they are marked with an L. Where's that L? You can see the L right there for left, and also the R for right, but it doesn't really matter. They go on either side. So you look at this, that's the bottom of the ear pad. You can tell by the seam. And basically, I'm just going to put them on like this. You'll twist them until they lay flat, because when they don't sit properly, you can see there's a gap. Now they're laying flat because they're flush, and then you just twist in. So that was the right ear pad, and I just put that on the left side. If I take that ear pad off, turn it around, do the same thing over here, it's on just the same. So left and right doesn't matter, but obviously you might as well just line them up anyway. So we have our left side here on the bottom. I'm going to turn it sideways like this so that it lays flush, and twist it on, and then sideways again, it's flat, twist it on, and all done. Now I offer these in the same color you have here, which is PU with the green, neon green mesh. I also have PU with the black mesh, and we have a hybrid PU with cool gel lining on top with black mesh. So if you do need a set of ear pads, get in contact. It's info@accessoryhouseglobal.com. Thanks a lot.